Take a look at this video, snow falling in Calhoun. Oh no, wasn't it 2 weeks ago we were all hovering around here talking about brine and all of that? 11 Alive storm tracker Robin Lee sent this to us in the last hour. Chief Meteorologist Chris Holcomb joining us now with everything you need to know about the chill in our air, Chris.
And Jeff, look at this. This is live right now in Blue Ridge. Yeah, we've got some blowing snow here. And, you know, we've been telling you about, we've zoomed in a little bit tighter to the street light so you can see that a little bit better. Looking like it's trying to accumulate a little bit on the roof there of the buildings in the downtown area. Again, we don't expect any major accumulations up in North Georgia, but it's just kind of nice to see this blowing snow. And one of our directors just came in a minute ago and said he just came in from our parking lot, and we have a couple of flurries here in our area as well. We'll try to get that video turned around for you in just a little bit as well. So yeah, the limited moisture here and the cold air that's literally blowing in here tonight is just squeezing out any of that moisture in the atmosphere. And in some spots it is coming down in the form of some snow flurries, but don't let it freak you out. You can see here on radar how it's all kind of spotty. We had those snow flurries and even some snow showers. We showed you that video here out of Calhoun just a little while ago. And then here's the little burst coming out of Cobb County right now, moving into the Midtown area. We can confirm right now in Midtown, just outside our studio, we have just a few flurries that are coming down right now, but it's not going to last long. It's just a little burst of snow coming through, and we might have a few additional flurries coming in tonight as well. This is what's been moving through northwest Georgia. There's that burst that came through Calhoun. It's had some pretty good flurries that came through there, and then a little bit more back into North Alabama and into Tennessee. But as you can see, it's not a lot of moisture. It's just kind of like some spotty showers there. Spotty snow showers. Those will still swing through parts of North Georgia through the rest of the nighttime hours, and maybe some lighter accumulations in the highest elevations of North Georgia. That could be a 1/4 of an inch to maybe a 1/2 inch of snow there. We don't expect any accumulations here though in our area. The thing that's going to be impacting everybody, really a couple of things. Number one, the wind. And number two, the really cold air. And those are going to work together to make it feel even colder. We have a wind advisory in effect for all of North Georgia and metro Atlanta with sustained winds 10 to 20 miles an hour, some gusts up to 35 and even up to 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts in the mountains. And you can see the winds right now. We've got about 10-mile-an-hour winds here in the Atlanta area. Marietta, 21-mile-an-hour winds. Those are the sustained winds, but when you factor in the gusts, we're talking about between 20 and 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts tonight. In the morning, close to 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts, and then later in the afternoon tomorrow, this is at 2:30, still between 20 and 25-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Then things start settling down into the evening hours. It's not going to be as blustery tomorrow night as it is out there for us tonight. But we have the wind chill advisory in effect for north and northwest Georgia. Does not include the Atlanta area. In far north Georgia, those wind chills could go as low as 10 below zero and range up to about 5 above zero. Now here's our wind chill outlook for the overnight hours. We're expecting to see wind chills here maybe between 8 and 12 degrees in the Atlanta area early in the morning, again depending on those temperatures and that wind mixing together, and then pretty much holding in the 20s for wind chills just about all day long. Here's that snow, just those few flurries that'll move through quickly tonight. In the morning, maybe just a couple of more clouds around. That should keep temperatures around 23 in the morning. Still with that wind around, those clouds break up quickly. We'll have sunshine, but folks, it is not even going to make it out of the 30s tomorrow, a high of 37. And again, the wind chill is going to feel like it's in the 20s in the afternoon. Back down to 25 Sunday morning, but then we start to warm up. We'll get a shift in the wind and it'll move back up to 52, down to 30 on Monday with a high warming to 57. How about 60 on Tuesday? Then some rain chances Wednesday, about a 30% chance for that Wednesday, 60% chance Thursday, highs in the lower 60s. Rain ends early Friday and it gets cold again with high temperatures dipping back down into the upper 40s.
All right, Chris, thank you. We appreciate the update.